And the pouring rain. Let's see what we got here. Well, it ain't pouring at the moment, but I'm wet. Come here, buddy. Oh, you're mine. Oh, hell yes, you're mine. What do you think of that for a rainy fish? Oh, hell yeah, buddy. Oh, hell. Ooh. Third fish of the night. I'll take that. Yeah, go see how long you are. There you go. One moment, please. Right there. What do we got here? 26. Oh yeah, I'll take that, mister. Oh shit. Yeah, I'll take a 26er for number 3. All right, buddy. Come here. All right. There you go. Ooh, you in a hurry to get back? See ya.